Arutwo acio matinonania muthako ucio.
Muthoni wa Kirumba na memerekia a Kameme ni monania support yao kuri airitu aya Butere Girls no before guonie uria muthoni agikorwo agika live on air onigo gukuhanaga kuria na ikuru riria Kenyans makorirwo magithie gu support airitu aya a Butere Girls riria gukorirwo gugituika matigukorwo magiperform play iyo yao iria kuretwe kinyita igweta makiria mutambo-ini wa TikTok. Oroho a Kenya ni marakara muno ni undu wa kuona ciana icio cia airitu igaikirio tia gas riu gugituika airitu 15 a cukuru ucio matuikaine kuria mari ni undu wa ngoe iria igikorirwo ikireho ni maabitha borithi riria maguikagia tia gas ati ni undu tu matirenda airitu aya makorwo magiperform play ino ironekana gukorwo ikiagithia thirikari ya William Ruto toro maya mothe mahanika tu ni undu wa muthako uyu cause of war uria uramurika maundu maria thirikari ikoretwe ikirira muingi no ndikoretwe ikihingia na maundu mangi ma waganu thiini wa thirikari ta maundu megie corruption na maundu mothe marakorwo makihinyiriria Wanjiko. Ciana cia macukuru mangi ni ciakorwo ikigoma gwika performance ciao thutha wa Butere Girls gukorwo ikigirio go perform no niguo Gen Z onao makorwo makireact kuri ndeto ici iria ithiete na mbere gutherema guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria.
If the Kenyan politicians do not like what they are seeing in this mirror, can they change the actions of the man in the mirror?
We just need one bold media house to give Butere Girls High School airtime for us to watch Echoes of War. They have gotten to Nakuru on stage, sang the national anthem and boycotted it because they were not given sound. They have been harassed by the police. These are 16-year-old.
Sometimes ni vizuri hata kunyamaza. You try to fight na ndio unaleta vitu nje. Nani alikuwa anajua hizi stories za Echoes of War from Butere Girls? Personally, I didn't know. Wameperform from level ya chini mpaka wamefika nationals. Many people didn't know about it. I've come to realize a lot of Kenyans have known them from the government trying to fight them.